Dogecoin is falling like crazy, even in this video. While I'm making it, it is an emergency video. You must stay tuned to watch this. If you're new to the channel, my name is Myles, and every day I make videos about Dogecoin and cryptocurrency, and I teach you all how to do technical analysis. So if you want to stay up to date with the greatest and latest news of cryptocurrency and Dogecoin and learn technical analysis, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss my time-sensitive videos. I'm also giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner this Saturday. In order to qualify to enter to win, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, which is in my video description, and put something in the comments below. A lot of people are selling their cryptocurrencies because of fear, because of all this crazy news coming out. But if you're still holding, if you still love Dogecoin, go ahead and smash the like button for Doge. Let's get this video out there and break the algorithm. And let me know in the comments below how many of you are still holding Dogecoin. And if you are, put in the comments diamond hands. All right, so Dogecoin is crashing, it is falling. We are going to be taking a look at some news, the reason why this has happened, why cryptos are falling, especially why is Dogecoin down the most. And we're going to be doing some technical analysis. We can see where Dogecoin is most likely going to end up going here. So right now I'm just looking at the 5-minute chart because we do not have a lot of data, and we are seeing Dogecoin just continue to fall down. It looks like that we did bounce, get a pretty decent bounce off this 19.9 level of support, which is basically 20 cents. We'll have to see if this will end up holding out. So we ended up going to about 20 cents. But if you're looking at Robinhood or some other crazy platform, those platforms are not very accurate as far as the Dogecoin price is concerned. So that's why you might be seeing a different price. Okay, so the reason why cryptos have dropped off, it is because China says the banks must block crypto transactions. That they're also cracking down on Bitcoin mining and crypto mining. But the thing is, crypto miners have already been moving out of China. They're already reallocating to Texas and other countries and other states in the US, which is really good. A lot of people are wondering, okay, is it bad for these China miners to come to the US? No, because these China miners, they have to be a part of these US mining pools, which is really good, because China, what they were doing previous to the big drops is they were all coming together, banding together and selling Bitcoin, selling these cryptos and dropping the whole crypto market so that they can buy in cheap. Now they're not going to be able to do that, and now they're going to have to follow the US regulations. We're trying to make it more energy efficient for Bitcoin and crypto mining, which is really good to open up the possibility of when Tesla will be accepting Bitcoin again. They are going to be accepting Bitcoin again. They said that they're going to be doing that, and most likely they will be accepting Dogecoin as well here very soon. But it's going to make them go in accordance with the standards of, the EGA standards to make it more energy efficient, green and energy environment efficient for Bitcoin mining, which once Bitcoin is accepted by Tesla, it's going to bring a huge surge in the crypto market, especially when Tesla potentially announces that they're going to be accepting Dogecoin for purchases of their vehicles. Personally, I think when Tesla does accept Dogecoin for purchases for Teslas, that will bring the entire crypto market up, that we will see a massive bounce in Dogecoin. Let me know in the comments below, how much of a rise do you think when Tesla comes out and says that they're going to be accepting Dogecoin? How much of a rise do you think Dogecoin will go? Personally, I'm thinking maybe 40, 50%. We'll have to see. But let's go ahead and read this article. Let's dive down a little bit further. So this same article has pretty much already come out. We've seen this about a month ago. China said the same thing, that China's central bank says institutions must not provide trading, clearing, and settlement for crypto transactions. So the People's Bank of China, PBOC, on Monday told the country's major financial institutions to stop facilitating virtual currency transactions, increasing the negative sentiment in crypto markets. So this whole piece of news has caused the crypto market to crash. That's why you saw it crash basically in the middle of the night while you were sleeping, because that's when the China market has opened up. That's when they are up 8 a.m., 9 a.m. and announcing all of these pieces of news. So it goes in to say banks must not provide products or services such as trading, clearing, settlement for crypto transactions. They already said that a month ago. So they go on to say other things similar to that, and they're going to be cracking down on Bitcoin mining and crypto mining, and they have to leave this and that. But it's totally fine. It's totally fine. It's not the end of the world. We've seen worse pieces of news than this, and this might be the lowest point that we will go with these cryptos. It might be the lowest point that we will see with Dogecoin. Yes, we could go further. Things could happen. Things could get worse. But personally, I'm not worried. I'm buying and I'm accumulating at these levels. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's just my opinion. But I'm buying Dogecoin at this level. I'm buying Bitcoin. I'm buying Ethereum. I'm buying a bunch of cryptocurrencies that I'm mentioning in my Patreon, where I do daily trade alerts, where I also do personal coaching. You can talk to me on the phone. I help you build a portfolio and teach technical analysis in my Patreon, which is linked in the description below. I also put these trade alerts out, what I'm buying. And I'm buying. I'm not scared. I'm down over 6 figures, but I'm not scared because I know what I'm investing into. If you invest into something like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and you just buy at the top, you don't even know what you're investing into. When things go down, you're gonna sell because you don't even know what you're investing into. I know what I'm investing into because Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, and I'm using Bitcoin as an example. Bitcoin is the best performing asset class of the last 10 years. And on average, Bitcoin performs 200% every single year. So despite drops, Bitcoin was just at $4,000 last year. Yes, Bitcoin is $30,000 right now. Oh, wow, we were at 65. But where was Bitcoin a year ago? About $4,000. What about Ethereum? Ethereum was $100 and Ethereum is still $2,000. What about Dogecoin? It was less than a penny. And we are still at 20 cents. That is crazy. Crazy numbers. So if you're concerned about the short-term volatility and all you are concerned about is the immediate short-term, what's happening right now, it's over with, you're going to be depressed, you're going to be sad, you're going to be anxious, and you're going to want to panic and sell. So before investing into anything, know what you're investing into. And if you invest into something and you don't even know what you're getting into, learn about it. Learn about Dogecoin. Dogecoin is here to stay. Dogecoin is one of the top cryptocurrencies in the entire world, coming out of nowhere. Dogecoin is the number 7 cryptocurrency in the entire world, having a market cap of $27 billion. Yes, the whole market cap of cryptos is down 8.47%, which is a pretty decent decrease. The whole market cap is only $1.3 trillion. It was much higher than that just a couple of months ago. But there are periods and times of corrections. Nothing can go straight up. And there's a lot of market manipulation going on right now. All of these news, isn't it funny that, this whole China news comes out when the market is at the bottom, when the market has had a huge sell-off, and then more news comes out? It keeps happening. Every time the market is at a bottom, that's when the news comes out. Have you noticed that all of the bad news comes out when the market drops? Then there's more news to come out. Why does it come out when things are dropping? It's because these whales, the people that are even creating the news, they are buying. They want to buy more. We're seeing big institutions like MicroStrategy buying billions of dollars of Bitcoin the last couple of weeks. Why are they buying Bitcoin? Why are big institutions around the world buying Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies when they're at the bottom? It's because they know where it is going to go. Bitcoin, just 2 weeks ago, El Salvador said that they want to accept it as their legal tender. A couple days later, they made it their legal currency, and now we're having at least 10 other countries come out saying they want to do the same thing. If all of these 10 other countries jump on board this year, not including all of the other countries who will jump on board this year for Bitcoin, that will bring trillions of dollars into Bitcoin. And if trillions of dollars are brought into Bitcoin, Bitcoin will be a couple of $100,000 by the end of the year. And if Bitcoin hits a couple of $100,000, there's going to be more money to be put into these altcoins like Dogecoin, like Cardano, like all of these other altcoins that we're invested into that I mentioned in my Patreon. Do you think they always outperform? All these altcoins always outperform Bitcoin. So Bitcoin hits 200,000, which is basically, let's say 700% more than what it is right now, give or take. Do you think Dogecoin is not going to outperform it? Do you think Ethereum is not going to outperform it? Having a more use case, more money will be able to get into it, is cheaper. It will, and I believe so. So I'm here to encourage you that it is not over. It is not the end of the world. Do not sell your cryptocurrencies. I'm holding, and I'm going to continue to hold them. I'm going to continue to buy these dips because these dips will pay off. Diamond hands are rewarded in time. We are in a market correction. There's a lot of fear. There's a lot of market manipulation coming down. And the question is, okay, now all of these cryptos are down, but why is Dogecoin? Why is Dogecoin down the most? It is because Dogecoin has some of the newer investors holding into it. A lot of the new investors are in Dogecoin from the hype, and a lot of these new investors have never experienced drops like these. A lot of people are reading this news and watching YouTube videos for saying people are coming out, oh, Dogecoin's going to 15 cents, oh, Dogecoin's going to 5 cents, Dogecoin's going to 1 cent. Yes, anything is possible. Those things are possibilities, but it's not very likely. So they're hearing all of this false fear. They're like, okay, well, if it's going to go to a penny, if it's going to go to 5 cents, why don't I just sell now, let it drop, and then buy back in? With that type of mentality, these people get wrecked, because them thinking it's going to end up going down, like, yes, I hope I'm going to sell right now, I hope it goes down lower, and watch, it bounces 20 or 30%, it bounces 60%, and now they're screwed. Now they're out of the game, and they're not even able to get back in, because they're going to continue to wait for further drops. Well, let me go ahead and show you some incredible information that you cannot miss. Check this out. Okay, so remember when Dogecoin was at 72 cents, 73 cents, we dropped all the way down and we hit 21 cents. So we just came and bottomed out at the exact level that we came before. We're 1 penny off. Okay, big deal. But watch this. Watch what happened. Okay, we had a significant drop. We went all the way down to 21 cents. But what happened when we went to 21 cents? Where did we go from there? Can you guys tell me? Because I will show you right here. Look at this. Right here, we bottomed out and went all the way up to 43 cents, which is a 101% gain. And then look, we went down. Every time we have these significant drops, we bounce up. We bounced up again. 52%. We came down, and look at this. We bottomed out and we had another huge gain, 60%. And now pretty much since then, we've had a significant drop. So it is about a time to get a bounce here. Am I right or wrong? Let me know in the comments below. Is it about time for us to get a bounce? Do we deserve a bounce right now? Because I think a bounce is in the play. Every time we come down to these levels, do we get huge significant drops? Not only for Dogecoin, but look at Ethereum. Every time we come down, look, huge bounces. Boom, look at this. Every time we get a drop, huge bounces, significant drop, big bounce, significant drop. We are waiting for the bounce here. Look at Bitcoin. Every single cryptocurrency, same thing is playing out. Significant drop, big bounce, significant drop, big bounce. And the same pattern continues to play out. This pattern is not going to be broken, and we are most likely due for a bounce here very soon. But deep diving into the charts, if we do see another significant drop with Dogecoin, the next level we are going to be looking at is going to be approximately around 15 cents. We have 15 cents and 17 cents. These are going to be the next support levels that are very strong. So if we drop below this level of 19 cents, about 20 cents, if we drop again, continue to drop, we will see these types of numbers. But remember, we have a lot of retail investors, a lot of new investors in Dogecoin, and they are getting scared because of this news. That is what has caused this massive sell-off. That's what has caused this massive drop in Dogecoin over all the other cryptocurrencies. If you look at the top losers in the cryptocurrency space, we're seeing Dogecoin the number one. And if you want to be able to trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, use the iTrust Capital link, which is in my video's description. And if you want to get free stocks, join using my WEBULL link, which is also my video's description. If you deposit $100, they're giving 4 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell, buy cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, or just send it to your bank account. Definitely try checking it out, see what type of stock you can get. But getting back into the chart, what I think is going to be happening, personally, my opinion, I'm not always right and I'm wrong a lot of the times, but I personally think that we will most likely be bouncing in this area right here, 20 cents, 21 cents, because we've had a significant drop. If we do see more fear, more news coming out to bring cryptocurrencies down, yes, it could push us down further. But just remember, it is market manipulation. It is whales. So don't be concerned about how much money you're losing. Look forward to the gains that you're going to be having in 30 to 60 to 90 days towards the end of the year. When you're investing, it's not about getting a quick dollar. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's about holding on for a period of time until you are in a significant profit or a profit goal that you set yourself, that you desire. Me, I'm going to be holding on for a long time, probably towards the end of the year, maybe looking to sell off, letting it come down a little bit and then buying back in. Or most likely just going to be holding for years and years. So if you got something out of this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Put something in the comments below. I will try to answer all of my comments in the first 24 hours. And if you want to get my daily trade alerts, you want to talk to me on the phone, you want to build a portfolio, you want to learn technical analysis, join the Patreon, which is also linked in the video's description below. And I will see you all tonight. Have a great day.